Hello friends, we are glad to see you on our channel. Today we bring you the best hairstyles. Please watch the video to the end and you will find the best hairstyle for yourself. Bob haircut, also known as a bob, or a bob cut, is a short medium length haircut that requires cutting the hair straight to the chin or jaw and curving the tips. It's original, accompanied by a bang. Bob hairstyles are versatile and beautiful in every way. It's a haircut that can transform your entire look and style. Bob haircut comes in various lengths and volumes. It can be medium length to super short. And also, you can add other things from color choices to edgy elements. The name bob haircut can be first traced to 20th century when Jeanne d'Arc defied odds to cut her hair into a bob. Bob haircuts weren't welcomed in the society, which made women who decided to have the haircut look rebellious. Bobbed hair grew in popularity, and during World War II, women who worked as medics had to cut their hair since they couldn't take care of it. It wasn't also medically advisable to carry such long hair, so they had to cut their hair into a bob. Bob cut hairstyles have grown to be widely accepted by women of different races. It has grown above one style into several sleek and elegant versions. These haircuts are more attuned to a business professional who has a certain elegance to maintain. These variations of the cut are often worn by business executives who are in fierce competition for high-end jobs. 50 most enviable stacked bob haircuts to upgrade your look. A stacked haircut doesn't have to be plain. Upgrade it with a new color, highlights, layers, waves, or curls. Stacked haircuts are meant to give you shape, volume, and texture. Check our list of sexy stacked bob and pixie looks to try during your next trip to the salon. Blonde piece-wise stacked bob. The choppy cut gives off a sassy vibe, style straight or in loose waves. Stacked balayage. We love the back view photos for stacked cuts because you can really see where the stacked layers meet and how they boost each other. The timeless combination of two trendy cuts, a pixie and a bob, will always be a crowd pleaser. As the name suggests, this cut embraces the best features of two popular haircuts, producing a volumetric masterpiece. The sides and back are cut pretty short, cascading to a voluminous top. As for the top and the crown, it features long layers of a bob. Due to the voluminous body and face framing front, this haircut will be a nice choice for everyone seeking balanced, stylish looks. And the good news is, all bob haircuts require little maintenance. Once the hair is cut to the proper specifications, all you need to style your hair is a couple of well-chosen hair products. The option to straighten or add curls is totally up to the wearer and her time constraints. No matter which hairstyle you choose, this cut allows for styling variations to suit every taste and situation possible. Bob features a long side swept fringe on one side, which creates a sleek, asymmetrical look. The two contrasting tones make it pop. Piece-wide long pixie cut with angled layers. This chic blonde wows us with the amazing depth acquired through creative coloring, and draws stares at the chunky disconnected layers, delivering sharp angles. Your stylist will use layers and bangs to make your thin hair appear fuller. Messy layers is low maintenance. Blonde hair or any other lighter shade adds volume to thin hair. Friends, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like and press the bell.